Good morning, I'm Paul and welcome to Hatch Engineering and our brand new 10,000 square foot manufacturing facility. Let me take you for a little walk. As you can see, we have a state-of-the-art bracket system allocated every job by number. We allocate a job to a bay so the boys in the workshop know what skill they need for the upcoming job. This is our main manufacturing facility with 10 welding zones. As you can see, it's rather busy for Friday, so they will be in all weekend as well producing. We have a 5-ton overhead crane here to assist with all the heavy lifting and a 7-ton conduit forklift. Within here we've got our sheet metal work facility, either making structural plates on our in-house plasma, 1500 by 6 metre bed, fully CNC operated with extraction on it. In the far corner we have our 200 ton 3 metre brake press, which is holding anything up to 10 mil over 3 metres. At the moment it's just folding some tiny little trims, all the safety lights are engaged. You can pair that up for when plasma's too busy. We have our guillotine, which is a 3 metre by 8 mil cut. As you can see, we have loads of sheet in stock, all the racks are full. And this is our fully automated saw shed, requires 1 man. In-feed rollers, saw shed, out-feed rollers. All accessible with the forklift, and then we feed the guys in the workshop. Short video just to give you an insight into what we do. Thank you.